Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If my BMW app is not working on your device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step. First, when your BMW is not working, then go to the Play Store and search here My BMW and check if any update is available. Then update it. Otherwise, follow next step. The next step, long press on the BMW app and go to the app info. Now force stop the app and close and minimize all the tab, clear, and again log in the My BMW app. If this step is not working, then next is long press again BMW app and go to the app info and then click on the storage and cache. Now clear cache and clear storage. After doing this step, again log in your BMW app. If it is still not working, then uninstall the app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.